Hey parents, dealing with a child's constipation can be tough. It can be distressing to see your little one in discomfort, and it's natural to feel concerned. But don't worry, today, I'm going to share some quick and effective tips to help relieve your child's discomfort. First off, hydration is key. Make sure your child drinks plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps to soften the stool, making it easier to pass. Sometimes just upping their water intake can make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about diet. Incorporating high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help get things moving. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, which helps it pass more easily. Prunes and pears are particularly effective. They contain natural laxatives that can help stimulate bowel movements. They're natural laxatives and can really help soften the stool. Including these in your child's diet can make a noticeable difference. Exercise is another important factor. Physical activity helps stimulate the digestive system. Encourage your child to be active. Simple activities like walking, running, or even playing outside can stimulate bowel movements. Walking, running, or even playing outside can stimulate bowel movements. Now let's get into some home remedies. These can be very effective and are easy to try at home. A warm bath can be very soothing and can help relax the muscles in your child's tummy. The warmth can ease discomfort and help things move along. You can also try gently massaging their abdomen in a clockwise motion to help move things along. This can help stimulate the bowels and provide relief. If these methods aren't providing relief, it might be time to consider other options. Consider over-the-counter options like glycerin suppositories or mild stool softeners. These can provide quick relief but should be used with caution. But always consult your pediatrician before trying any medication. They can provide guidance on the best and safest options for your child. Finally, create a regular bathroom routine. Consistency can help train your child's body to have regular bowel movements. Encourage your child to sit on the toilet at the same time each day, preferably after meals. This can help establish a routine and make bowel movements more predictable. This can help train their body to have regular bowel movements. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Constipation is common and can usually be resolved with simple changes to diet and lifestyle. Making these changes can improve your child's overall digestive health. But if your child experiences severe pain, blood in their stool, or if constipation persists, seek medical advice immediately. These could be signs of a more serious condition. I hope these tips help you and your little one find some relief. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more helpful parenting tips. Stay healthy. Your support helps us create more valuable content for parents like you. Feel free to adjust the timing and pacing based on the actual video length and content flow. Take care and see you in the next video.